On today's episode of MotoCheez.
You recognize the Minitruck, right? Hey, little fella. Whoa! Whoa! What's up, Minitruck? Mama's gonna look at the job. No? I know you're very excited.
Paint job leaves a little to be desired.
Well, it's a brush job. Well, the whole... This is all gonna get painted eventually. Maybe. I know, she doesn't care, Minnie.
I never get any jewelry. She got bolts, chains.
You get jewelry. You're driving? Oh, you don't want to drive? Went from squeaking to rattling. I haven't looked at it. Put the bed down, really.
The day's looking new and bright. The day starts like it should. The best part of waking up
is Minitruck on your cup. Minnie. And stay out. Me and Minnie don't want you in here. Just kidding!
I was only kidding!
Finally got rid of her. Couple more going out, thanks guys. Minnie! Look at your reflection, Minnie. Another right-hand driver. I mean, let's be honest here. I called Tractor Supply to redneck Walmart, but what Walmart is not redneck. Someone said put electric locks. I don't even have to lean to hit those locks. See you in a bit, Minnie. Pretty nice out today. I don't even need my jacket. Self-checkout. Should get paid. Ooh, look at the ass on that. The reason I'm putting it toward the back, because I'm on a Tractor Supply, and I'm going to have to dump this bed. Guess I can lose the jacket.
Flips his thumbs up in the air. Fonzie's cool, not a square.
It's Fonzie from the Happy Days collection with thumbs up action.
Hey.
You from Migo.
Why so serious? What the hell's he getting a snow shovel for it this time of year? I still got to build a safety rod. That big. My built-in measuring device. One of them. Be right back, Minnie. That's a little overkill. Actually, these are the ones I need, right? Oh, so it's like 7/8. Well, I'll have to get 7/8 bolt. Good thing I looked. I need 7/8, not 3/4.
Oh, that's awesome.
That'll do. That'll definitely work.
Are you a YouTube star?
I do YouTube, yeah. MotoCheez, yeah. You recognize the Minitruck, right?
I was telling my wife, I'm like, yeah, there's this guy, and I saw where you were driving around, and I'm like, I think he's probably from Milford. And I'm like, he's got a truck just like that.
Yep.
And how many of these things are going to see you driving around? I'm like, but he's got a CB antenna, and then I see a CB antenna on the front, and I'm like, oh.
That's got to be it, yeah. There you go.
Oh, thanks, man, I appreciate it.
Nice to meet you. Have a good day. And he got noticed. You're the YouTube star. Woohoo! Come on, Minnie, let's see what's good at Goodwill.
But it all starts with goodwill.
They probably give 5% of their intake to donation. You know, you hear about that from some businesses. To 9. That's an oldie. I thought these were getting hard to find. CD player. Electronic hole puncher. Wow, look at that old Lafayette. They don't make them like this anymore. Nothing for us, Mini. Got them 7/8 grade 8 bolts installed. I gotta go to a different tractor supply up in AMENIA. New Milford doesn't refill the tanks anymore. They used to, but now that they do propane, they don't refill tanks. You know, well, exchange tanks, I should say. And I'm in the exchange. I bought into it years ago. So off to AMENIA we go. Now you guys know you gotta transport these high pressure bottles upright, right? I got my little mic thingy here, like I put in my Jeeps. They work really nice. Well, back road to New York for 55, Mini. You spread your legs a little. No, not spread your legs. Stretch your legs. Stretch your legs a little, Mini. Don't spread your legs. Ooh. No? Huh. Is that the size? Yeah?
I would have thought.
Right. I'll go tell her to 2. Thanks. You could put it next to the truck if you want. I don't think anybody's gonna run away with it. What are you doing? Yep.
Which one you got?
Number 2, actually. 38 bucks, not too bad. Not bad. Back home, Mini. Back up to AMENIA Tractor Supply. They gave me a wrong tank. They gave me a tank of argon. And I should have known, because it had a screw on top, so I'll take the blame. Deja vu. Want to hook a rope to it?
That thing's awesome.
Thanks.
My uncle had one just like this, actually. How much you get it for?
I got this for 45.
But all the lights you took from mine.
That's a Jeep CJ front bumper.
Really?
I just converted it into a dump. Check it out.
That thing's sick. Wow. Oh, you welded it in all yourself?
Yeah, I had to take the bed off. It bolted here.
Yep.
And then I had to make a front piece.
Yeah, this thing is sick. My uncle had one on stock wheels and all that stuff. He ended up selling it. He wishes he never did now. We were just talking about it the other day.
They still got them.
Yeah. Is that like a boost gauge? That's pretty sick.
No, it's my tack. There's no tack in these things.
Huh. How fast can you go?
63 is about it. It's a 4-speed.
That's
And it
awesome.
runs out of, you know, like runs out of gear. There, I got a couple of these if you want them.
Oh, that's sick. Is this your YouTube?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll have to add you. That's wild.
Let me run in and get this. I'll bring this out. How you doing?
Sorry about that.
Nah, it's not a big deal. Take it easy, guys. Got a little tire, Mini. Hey, little fella. Whoa! Whoa! Jeez. He wasn't happy. Think he might have been Rabid. Almost put him out of his misery. Can't do that with many cars. What do we have there? For sale. Honda Minitruck. Huh.
Hey,
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.